Determine the general expression for the input value of all points of inflection of the graph g of theta equals cos theta. If you don't remember what a point of inflection is or an inflection point is, wherever your graph changes concavity is when you have an inflection point. Okay, so let's graph cosine. Let's graph cosine. Cosine starts up here at 1, bottoms out at -1. It starts up here, hits the x-axis at pi over 2, bottoms out, comes back up to pi, comes back up and hits at pi over, or 3 pi over 2, and then repeats the process at 2 pi. So, so the input value for all the points of inflection are basically where we see this change in concavity, like here, here. So like 1 or half a pi. Well, that was a close one. So half a pi, 3/2 pi. Basically, every half a pi plus 1. So let's set it up like this. Y equals half a pi plus 1k, where k is any integer. Okay, that's going to be the input value. Half a pi plus 0 is going to be half a pi. Boom. Half a pi plus 1 is going to be 3 pi over 2. Boom. And then so on and so forth. So this will give us like a nice little equation to give us the points of inflection for any inflection point. Crazy problem, but, you know, we did it.